Welcome back to another video on variables. Now let's use a variable in an object so you will see how it works. Close the script and add two parts. Name it part 1 and part 2. We will use a touch event so when the correct part is touched it will print hello world and when the other is touched nothing will happen. Now go to script and start scripting. When part 1 is touched, it prints hello world, and if part 2 is touched it will not do anything. Local part 1 equals the path of part 1. Part 1 here is the variable to represent the part 1 in workspace. So when it touched it print hello world. Part 1 is the variable to represent the value of part 1 in the workspace. Most of the time this is how you will use the variable. You will use it to represent the actual object and its path. And now we are going to script the touched event for part 1. Part 1.touchedConnect function other part. For now, disregard the parameters or any other and just focus on variables part 1. Now we created another variable to represent the character which is otherPart.parent. And create another variable for the humanoid, that is inside the character. If it's humanoid then it will print, hello world. What happens here when part 1 is touched and the condition inside is met then it will print the hello world. So now let's go to workspace and then run the script. Let us touch on first the part 2. As it will not do anything, since the variable that we only have, is for the part 1. As we touch, nothing happens. Now let's touch the part 1, and see if it will do something. And it does. As you can see in the output. As in script we represent the value of the actual object using the variable part 1. So when it touched by a player, it prints the hello world. If you find value on this video press the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions leave a comment down below. See you all in the next video. Thank you.